When you use Autodesk PowerMill to program your parts every week, any product developments we make that result in your day-to-day activities running more smoothly will always be seen as a bonus. So whilst we constantly push to include new features, there are also many incremental improvements that happen which simply improve your quality of life when using PowerMill, and the 2022.1 release is no different. The first improvement relates to the Toolpath settings form. As a result of the number of additional options added to the form over the years, it was clear that displaying the form had seen a considerable slowdown. For PowerMill 2022.1, however, the opening times for settings forms have been sped up considerably, in some cases improved by up to 65%. This represents a significant time saving accessing your Toolpath settings and benefits all PowerMill users. Next, we have a couple of improvements to Toolpath limiting using a polygon. The first is the new rubber band function, which provides a preview of the polygon area you are defining that dynamically updates as you move the cursor and create your points. Secondly, the undo button has been moved to a new section with additional polygon options, making it easier to find. This sits alongside a new restore view button, which quickly restores the view orientation normal of the polygon sketch, regardless of how many times the view was changed. This makes it much easier to return to the sketch plane to make any changes. PowerMill 2022.1 has also seen some security improvements. One of the great strengths of PowerMill is the ability to automate your processes through macros. These can automate all number of things from simple to complex, but there is a potential risk that they can also be exploited if you run macros from an unknown source. To reduce this risk, there is now a new macro checking process, where if PowerMill detects an action it sees as a threat, for example an attempt to run an external program or open a file, you must now choose to trust the macro before proceeding. Once trusted, the macro will then be able to run without further interruption. A list of these safe macros are stored in the security options area, with an additional option to trust whole directories too, resulting in safer PowerMill automation and reducing your PC's vulnerability. And finally, we have a number of performance improvements relating to model preparation. In situations where model scanning needs to be performed, such as editing a toolpath with a polygon limit, the model scanning process has been sped up. Improvements will vary, but the reduction in calculation times in this example can be up to 16% compared to PowerMill 2021.0, and will be more noticeable on larger parts with higher tolerance toolpaths. Collectively, all of these updates will improve your user experience, speed up your part programming, and help you reach your manufacturing goals.